China economy is important for the region, such as ASEAN, but also is important for the global economy. So we hope China will continue to do well with economic growth. Last year, as you said, this is still quite positive, and particularly with the global economy as it is. So we have to put things into perspective, how it's all compared globally. So we will continue, because I think between us and China, we continue to see the growth of the trade. Also, we see investments coming from China. Of course, we expect more Chinese tourists to visit ASEAN. Of course, also, it's not just tourism, but also increasing direct flights between ASEAN and China. So all is very important. So we look forward to more cooperation between ASEAN and China, particularly in all areas of the ASEAN economy, including, for example, we hope that China will continue to import more from ASEAN, including agricultural products. So the strong economy of China will be very important development for the region and for the world.